Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Glide app screens after navigation breaks step by step clearly. Open your Glide app where you experienced the navigation issue. Identify the screen where the navigation has broken. Go to the Glide dashboard and select your app. Locate the Layout section in the menu. Select the affected screen from the list of screens displayed. Check for any broken links or navigation settings that need adjustment. If a link is broken, click on it to edit. Ensure that the destination screen is correctly selected. If necessary, reassign the navigation action to the desired screen. Save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top right corner. Next, test the navigation to see if it functions correctly now. If the issue persists, consider refreshing the app by reloading the browser. Revisit the affected screen and verify if the navigation works as intended. If you still encounter issues, check the settings for any app-wide navigation settings. Ensure that your app's version is up to date. Discuss any remaining issues in the Glide community forums for additional support. Once navigation is restored, document the changes made for future reference. Confirm that all related screens and links are functioning properly. Review your app as a whole to ensure a seamless user experience. With all navigation restored, continue building and enhancing your Glide app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.